By the way, if you hear crunching in the background, it's my daughter eating a rice cake and also apparently falling. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, I know, this lipstick's super bright. You know what? I'm like, you know what? I went with a really colorful eye look. I want to do a really colorful lipstick because I can. And it's my channel, so I do what I want. So you guys know what this video is all about. Yes, it is that time. I have a gift for you, and she is stunning. This is yours, whoever wins it. And this is mine. It's upside down. You guys, all right, this is such a fun palette. I paid $45 for it. It has this really awesome kind of like canvasy feel to it. And I already got dirty. It's done for. That's expected with an ABH palette though, right? Like you get them dirty immediately. Here it is inside. Oh my gosh, look at these colors, you guys. These are stunning. Okay, so a lot of people wanted a navy blue, and I agree. I would have loved a navy blue, but unfortunately this one does not have it. It does, however, have a matte white, which is new to my collection. I did not have a matte white until today. But I also bought the new highlighter from her, and this is in the color Snowflake. I'm super excited! Moving on to the giveaway for this little beauty here. Here's your guys's. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed to my channel, have your subscriptions on public so I can actually see that you're subscribed, and leave me a comment. You guys can comment on absolutely anything, and that's it. It's like the easiest giveaway ever. And this giveaway is actually 2 weeks long, you guys. So it's a pretty short giveaway just because I know this is so hyped up and I want you guys to get it as soon as possible. So I will be ending this giveaway on Saturday the 23rd, and I will probably make an announcement video on the 24th or the 23rd. So you guys, I'm super excited. You have 2 weeks to enter. Make sure to enter, and if you guys are interested in this tutorial, then just keep watching. Oh yes. My daughter decided to join us after I was done with my makeup, so you get a little bit of my redheaded daughter. Alright, you guys, this purple it does have some kickback. It is a little powdery, but she is beautiful. By the way, if you hear crunching in the background, it's my daughter eating a rice cake and also apparently falling. Oh my gosh, you guys, this purple, this is beautiful. Those blended together absolutely beautifully, you guys. All right, I'm just gonna cut my crease and I'm gonna start doing this little beauty right here. Oh, these colors are so pretty. Ooh, this color is so juicy. Who's that? Why is your hair so crazy? Come here. Who's that? Who's that? Is that Erilyn? Who is it? Who is this child then if it's not Erilyn? Alright, you guys, I have a tiny human here next to me. I have a tiny human on my lap and she's playing with my brushes. So, let's see here. This is the eye look. I hope you guys liked it. It's very bright. It's very vibrant. I really wanted to showcase all of her colors. So let's move on to blush. I did actually put a little bit of blush down, but I'm going to reapply it. Where's my blush brush, baby?
It's right there.
Oh, I found it. She's making everything fall off. Alright, and this is Maybelline Fit Me in the color Peach. So this is a really pretty blush. It has a small amount of shimmer, but it's not overpowering at all. It looks really beautiful. Now I'm going to use the silver highlighter. Are you putting on makeup? Do you look beautiful? Do you look beautiful? Yes, you do. You guys, look how beautiful this packaging is. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. You know how sometimes foiled shadows have that like flaky kind of look to it? That's what this looks like actually, and it looks like it's gonna be pure silver. This is the color Snowflake. I have a little bit on my brush, so I feel like this might be too much actually. So let's see what this looks like. Hold on. That's pure silver. I haven't even buffed it out yet. I just initially applied it. Okay, so I just buffed it out. That looks much more wearable, but I think it might be buildable. Like maybe just right here. Wow. You guys, this silver is silver. Jeez. I'm just gonna, you know, go crazy with the color, and I'm doing Fake Love by Colourpop. That's what I'm doing. No shame. I mean, I went there, y'all. It's okay, so that's all I have for this look. So you guys, I have your beautiful Riviera palette right here, and I am so excited to give it to you guys. So remember, all you guys have to do to win this palette is make sure you're subscribed to me, have your subscriptions on public so I can actually see that you're subscribed to me, and just leave me a comment, anything. You can say what you had for breakfast. You could say that my lipstick is way too bright for this look. I agree with you. You can say what your favorite color in the palette is. I'm just so excited to be giving this to you guys, so just make sure to leave me a comment. And there you go, that's it, you guys are entered. And also, don't forget to enter my 500 subscriber giveaway as well. That's a really fun little Juvia's Place bundle, and I'm so thankful for all of you guys, so I really just wanted to give back to you. And that one is ending on April 1st, so that one has a little bit longer to enter than this one. That's all I have. Make sure to keep an eye out for a 3 looks video that I'm going to be doing with this palette because it's so inspiring. So keep an eye out for that as well, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!